Audio Jungle.
The Volkswagen ID.4 is now also being produced in Emden. This means that the ID.4 is now built at the German sites in Zwickau and Emden as well as in the Chinese plants in Anting and Foshan. From autumn this year, production for the US market will start in Chattanooga. According to Wolfsburg, Emden is the first high-tech location for electric mobility in Lower Saxony. VW invested around €1 billion in the conversion of the plant so that electric cars can roll off the assembly line there. VW plans to invest a total of €21 billion in the federal state by 2026. The conversion phase lasted 2 years. Although there were global challenges, VW stayed on schedule with its project. 6 new production halls and logistics buildings as well as 5 new conveyor bridges with a total of about 125,000 square meters were built in the course of the plant conversion. Production-related and virtual training courses were held, and there was also an excursion with the VW site in Zwickau. Since spring 2020, more than 400 employees from Emden are said to have been deployed in Zwickau to prepare for the production of e-vehicles. According to Volkswagen, the ID.4 quickly became a successful model after its market launch. In the first quarter of 2022, the group delivered more than 30,000 vehicles of the model. A total of 163,000 vehicles have been delivered worldwide since its market launch last year, making the ID.4 the best-selling electric vehicle of both the Volkswagen brand and the Volkswagen Group. There are currently around 73,000 orders for the model worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.